Let's discuss about gestational age and birth weight. The survival outcome of an infant depends both on gestational age and birth weight. Okay, the survival outcome of an infant depends both on birth weight as well as gestational age. Let's see the relation between this gestational age and birth weight. Relation between gestational age and birth weight. The relation can be understood by knowing four terms. One is small for gestational age. Small for gestational age. Second one is large for gestational age. Large for gestational age. Third one is appropriate for gestational age. Appropriate for gestational age. So the relation can be known by knowing three times. I told you four terms, but it is only three terms. Okay, only three terms. So what small for gestational age means? What do you mean by small for gestational age? Small for gestational age, it means that the weight of the baby is below 10th percentile for that age, for that gestational age. Okay, the weight of the baby is less than 10th percentile for that gestational age, then the baby is said to be, or the fetus is said to be, small for gestational age. Okay, when do we say large for gestational age? Large for gestational age means when the weight of the baby is greater than 90 percentile of that gestation. Okay, when the weight of the fetus is greater than 90 percentile of the gestational age. When did we say appropriate for gestational age? When the weight of the baby falls in the range of 10 to 90 percentile. 90 percentile. Okay, so this is the basic term that you have to know. You have to remember these numbers. Okay, 10th percentile, 90 percentile, and 10 to 90 percentile. Remember this. And one more important term that we have to remember here is low birth weight. Low birth weight. When do we say low birth weight? Low birth weight means the weight of the baby is less than 2500 grams, irrespective of gestational age. Irrespective of gestational age. Okay, the weight of the baby is less than 2500 grams, irrespective of gestational age. Then we say that baby is low birth weight baby. Okay, then one more is very low birth weight. Very low birth weight. The weight of the baby is less than 1500 grams, irrespective of gestational age. Okay, in these terms we are not comparing the weight with gestational age. We are only considering weight of the baby. Okay, when the weight is less than or equal to 1500 grams, then that baby is very low birth weight baby. One more is extremely low birth weight baby. Extremely low birth weight baby. When the weight of the baby is less than 1000 grams, then we say that baby is extremely low birth weight baby. And the last term we have to remember here is preterm baby or preterm delivery. When do we say preterm or preterm delivery? Preterm baby or preterm delivery. If the baby is born in less than 37 weeks, irrespective of weight, then that baby is said to be preterm baby. Is said to be preterm baby. In this video, I just introduced you some basic term that you have to remember. So what we learnt in this lecture is we defined almost 7 terms. 3 terms in the first 3 terms we compared gestation age and birth weight. Okay, we related both gestation age and birth weight. In the next 4 terms, in the next 3 terms, we define the baby only with only with birth weight. In the last term, we define preterm. So, okay, in this lecture we introduce 7 terms. 7 terms. In the next lecture, we will discuss small for gestational age.